Hello friends, now we are doing the simple past tense. Simple means no aspect. English verbs have two aspects. One is progressive, he is going or he was going, and the other is perfect, that is he has gone. And together you can have perfect continuous or perfect progressive. Understand? Now this is simple. Now we saw the form, we saw the distribution, we saw expansion. Expansion means do insertion, and with the help of do insertion you can make the negative. Now the next step is, of course, the yes or no question. See, if you have got a sentence like this, he ate an apple, then you have, what you have to do is, the yes or no question is made by inversion. Inversion means subject, and there is a change of position in the subject and the verb. So what you do is that ate he an apple. But this is not allowed in English, so what you do? Simple tenses you have to insert do for simple tenses. Remember simple present tense. He eats, he does eat. And then the first part of the verb phrase we take and then make the question. Does he eat? Inversion takes place there. Means change of the position. Inversion means change of position. So in this case, what you have to do is, this is not possible. So what? He do ate an apple. We have already seen. Then the past tense here, bring it here, then it will become did eat an apple. He, and now you have got the verb phrase. Means you have got two parts. Then the first part is shifted. And so the first part is did. We said did he eat an apple? Question mark. So that's as simple as that. Solid. You remember the simple present. If it is simple present, what do you do? He eats, and that becomes he does eat, because this S comes in here. So he does eat like that. Then does he eat? I think that is now very clear to you. Okay? So the question, yes or no question, the questions are always made in English by way of inversion. Inversion. Inversion means change of place. Inversion. You change the place of the subject and the verb. And when the verb has got two parts, take the first part and put in the front of the sentence. Or start the sentence with the, start the question with the first part of the verb. Like this. He ate an apple. He did eat an apple. Did he eat an apple? So if you do some more sentences, then it becomes easier for you. As you can see, let's say people migrate. People migrated to different places. To different places. Now migrated is equal to did migrate. Alright. Now it's easy. Did people migrate to different places? Question mark. See, people migrated. Did people migrate? Did. See, after did, then the remaining part is tenseless, because the tense marker has been taken and attached to do, and that is how do becomes did. Clear? Yes. And let's say some more example. She sang a song. Sang is equal to did sing. So now it's easy. Did she sing a song? Question mark. Yes or no question? And we have got few more examples will definitely prove useful to you, and therefore let us change the verb and the subject. Okay. God loved you. Okay, so loved is equal to did love. Did God love? See that? You. Did you see this change here? Did God love you? Alright. Right? Yes. We can say the boys studied the boys studied very hard. But what happened is that they did not get the expected result. So you have got studied is equal to did study. Okay? And then did the boys study very hard? Question. See? 1, 2 or 3 more examples, and then tomorrow we will have an exercise based on this. Alright, get ready. Now you have sportsmen played well. So the sportsman, let's say. The sportsman played well. Played, did play. So the first part, did the sportsman play well? Question. Alright. I wrote the exam with all my strength. So the question will be wrote, did write. Then the question, did you? I will become you. Nobody will say did I, isn't it? You can also say like that, but then that means there is something is wrong. So did you write the exam with all your strength or might, or your might? Let us change it to might. So here you have got the question now. Alright? Okay, one more. The teacher spoke to them. Question? Spoke is equal to did speak. So you have did the teacher speak to them? So this is how we have seen now. So far we have steps like a form, ed, 90% of verbs, 10% of verbs are irregular or strong verbs, so you have to learn them separately. So they make the past tense by changing the vowel, like sing, sang, drink, drank, like that. And then you have got the ed, that is the normal way of making the past tense. Form distribution, there's no difference. I, you, up to that, no difference. The form does not change according to the subject. And the third, we saw how to make the negative by expanding it. Expanding it means inserting do. And how do becomes that did. I think now it is clear to you, because the ed is attached to do, and then do becomes did. And you can make the negative then. Also, yes no questions, you have to insert do, and then after that, when you insert do, the second step is attach the past tense marker to do, then do will become did. And once you have got two parts for the verb, the first part can be shifted to the front of the sentence or start the sentence with the first part, it becomes an yes or no question. So far so good. Bye. Have a nice time. Enjoy your life.